What the psalmist is saying is that he wants the king to ride forth and to let his deeds cause awe in the world, awe for the church, so that the church would sit back and go, look at our God. And don't you find yourself doing this sometimes in your Christian life? Something happens out of nowhere and you've been worried and you're not sure how it's going to play out. And all of a sudden, God fixes it. And you just sit back and you just look and you just go, God, how did you do it? That's amazing. Because Jesus delights to act in such a way that all hearts and minds would be filled with awe of him.